Сәлем құрметті көрермендер және балалар. Бүгінгі сабағыма қош келдіңіздер. Тақырыбымыз бізде writing an email. I can write an email about my class. Hi. The first. My name's Beth. I'm 13 years old and I'm a student at Liberty High School in Brighton. Second. I like school. There are about 30 people in my class. We work hard, but we have fun too. We do a lot of our lessons together, but not sport. Girls and boys have different games lessons. I like sport. I'm really into basketball and tennis. My favorite tennis player is Rafael Nadal. I am not the school tennis team, but I played in games lessons in the summer. Lots of people in my class play football, but I hate it. Third. My favorite lesson is music. I think everyone enjoys it. We have such a great teacher. He's really into pop music. I am too, but I haven't got a favorite group. Fourth. What about you and your class? What's your favorite team? Please write and send a photo if you've got one. By for now, Beth. So we'll continue with exercise number 1 in page number 15. So read the model text and answer the questions. The first question: who is the mail to? Point B, Beth. Point A, Beth. Yes, and point B, a student at a different school, and point C, Beth's sister. The first question's answer will be B. And second question: what's the purpose of the mail? And this answer: to introduce Beth, describe your interests and ask about someone else's interests. So the third, what's the purpose of the email? It's is this email formal and informal? So informal will be answer. And fourth, which paragraph asks the reader questions? The paragraph will be number 3. And the fifth, which paragraph is about Beth's class? Paragraph number 2. So the last, which paragraph is about the class favorite lesson? This will be paragraph number 1. And the last one, which paragraph introduce Beth? Which paragraph introduce Beth? Paragraph will be number 2. So next we'll continue an exercise number 2. These complete the keys phrases, then look at the model text and check. The first will be Beth. Second, student at Liberty High School. The third, really basketball and tennis. The fourth, about. The fifth, one. And the sixth, no. So next exercise number 3. Language point, it is and or but. Look at the model text. When do we use and or and but? Complete the sentence with and or but. It's interesting, yes? Okay, the first, I'm into tennis. I'm into tennis and basketball. And I'm good at tennis, but I'm not good at basketball. But do you prefer dancing or photography? Or I've got a camera, but I haven't got a laptop. but. Is this your book or your brother's book? Or, I really like judo and taekwondo. And so next, that's all. Оқушылар, балалар, құрметті көрермендер, бүгін біздің сабағымыз аяқталды. Келесі жаңа қызықты сабақты өткізіп алмас үшін арнама тіркеліп, қоңырауша белгіні басуды ұмытпаңыздар. Келесі сабақта көріскенше сау болыңыздар.